Hi friends, welcome to Quiz in Time, the online quiz league of USAMIDI Delhi unit. This is the second phase of this competition, and the first phase was done by Mr. Sneha Srinivas. I would like to congratulate USAMIDI for taking up this beautiful initiative to enlighten us with knowledge during this period of Corona crisis. So, I'm not wasting any more time. Let's go straight to the questions. So the first question of the second phase of Quiz and Time. It was during the 16th century when the Ottoman Empire attacked Venice. They used ships to destroy the city. And this person in question used or designed a particular entity similar to the scuba suits today, with which the soldiers could go underwater and destroy the warships of the Ottoman Empire. So tell me, who was the designer of this predecessor of the scuba suit? So that's the first question. We'll move to the second question. Many of you would have heard about the Hollywood Walk of Fame. It is a monument on a walkway where the names of celebrities are engraved on brass stars and are set on the ground. Only once they changed the shape from stars to another entity to commemorate or celebrate a feat of a group of people. So tell me, what shape was used in the place of stars and who were honored through this change in the shape? This is slight off the topic, but you can guess it and work out. So we'll move on to the third question. You need to identify a movie. The director of this movie was promoting another movie and was traveling through Europe. He met Mahatma Gandhi and they discussed about the impact of technology on workers all around the world. He also took into consideration the unfortunate conditions of America during that time. And a character in this movie was modeled on Henry Ford and was played by the actor Alan Garcia. Tell me, which iconic movie am I talking about? The fourth question is about a person. He appeared on Doordarshan's Wonder Balloon and became popular as a kid who could play 4 instruments at the same time. He is also said to have introduced a new genre known as super heavy along with 3 other English musicians. Who is this personality who was also an ardent fan of Allah Rakha? So guys, we'll move on to the last question of phase 2 competition of Quiz in Time. It is a tradition in Ghana to hire dancers to perform during a ritual. They dance around and bring joy to people attending the function. They are given money for this and they do their job. BBC Africa had created a documentary on this particular tradition, and some footage or a part of this video was mixed along with astronomia music, and it came into limelight. So tell me, how did these people from Ghana became famous in the recent times? So that's it guys. These are the questions for the day. So send in your answers to 8592 006 003 through WhatsApp. So we'll be coming soon with the answers. So thank you. Stay safe.